Hey there guys, in this video I want to talk to you about what are actually like the best apps for the time management for students and what I recommend to do. So the first one that is like the most important one that I would recommend to do is actually like use Google Calendar. So this Google Calendar for having assignments there, for the classes and all the important things that you would actually like point right here when you actually have the time, when you're gonna go to let's say gym, when you're gonna be with your friends, etc. So actually having the Google Calendar for that can be like very effective and important. Now the next one is called Journal. I don't know even how to call that, to be honest. So for this, what I like to do is that you can actually like write here stuff, take handwritten notes with ease, and it's a like open source and cross-platform note-taking software. So for actually it's like taking notes in the classes, this can be also beneficial and how you can be like effective. But of course it really depends like if you want to do it, but I still just wanted to like share it with you that maybe you would kind of like it. Now next one is a Todoist. So Todo is very good for actually the time management, and you can use that for it's like managing when you're gonna do what and how you're gonna do things. And this can again be like very beneficial. It's like, okay, these are the tasks that I want to do tomorrow, and that can be also like very beneficial. Now the next one is also something that I personally use and I really like, is that rather than using the Todoist, maybe you can like it too. I made this, it's completely for free. I made it in Claude. That what I do is that I actually printed this page where I'm just like writing tasks and then like mark it is like finished straight up from the morning. So this what actually helped me to be more effective and productive, primarily also in my work, that I do just like do these things. And maybe you're gonna like it too. Maybe it's going to be like beneficial for you too, so you can actually like check it out for yourself, that just like primarily for the tasks. Now the next thing that is could be like also great for you is using tools like Asana, or you can use for example like not even Asana but like ClickUp, Monday.com, and many others. And with these is that it's going to be like project management, but the same thing you can use Notion for it. So not primarily for the task itself, but you can use it for like setuping. I'll show you the whole project. Okay, these are the things that I need to do. These are the things that needs to be like finished for a project in the school. You can use Notion. This really depends like what you prefer, but that's something that I personally see. Now to dive even further, and what I recommend to do next is that you need to also use your own intuition. So it's not about like the tools, it's about how you use them. So that's like very important, like that you can do. Also you can use like TickTick for also the tasks. Maybe you can like that app. So it's like up to you what you do. So hope this video provide a little bit of value, what you can actually expect out of these tools. So yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye.